1. Plato's ideal state. The Republic. Plato's seminal work, The Republic, outlines his vision of an ideal society governed by philosopher kings who possess wisdom and virtue.
In this utopian city-state, every aspect of life is meticulously regulated to ensure harmony and justice. Art, as a powerful form of expression, occupies a central position in Plato's ideal society. The role of art in shaping society. Plato recognized the influential role that art plays in shaping individual beliefs, values, and behaviors within a society. He believed that art had the potential to either elevate or corrupt the soul, depending on its content and message. Thus, the regulation of art became essential for maintaining the moral integrity of the ideal state. Concerns about the influence of art on citizens. Plato expressed concerns about the potential negative effects of certain forms of art on the moral and intellectual development of citizens. He believed that art that depicted immoral or false ideals could lead to the corruption of individuals and the erosion of societal values. Therefore, Plato advocated for strict censorship and control over artistic expression to ensure that only virtuous and truth-promoting art was allowed in his ideal society. This section provides an overview of Plato's perspective on the role of art within the framework of his ideal society, emphasizing its potential to shape individual and collective values, as well as the need for regulation to safeguard against moral corruption. The role of art in shaping society. Plato recognized the profound influence of art on individuals and society as a whole. He understood that art has the power to shape beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors, making it a potent tool for cultural expression and social change. Art can inspire, provoke, and challenge, serving as a mirror to society's values and aspirations. However, Plato also acknowledged the potential dangers of art when it promotes falsehoods, immorality, or irrationality. Concerns about the influence of art on citizens. Plato's concerns about the influence of art stemmed from his belief in the importance of moral and intellectual education. He feared that certain forms of art, such as tragic poetry or epic literature, could arouse irrational emotions or encourage immoral behavior. Plato worried that citizens, especially the youth, could be misled by art that glorified violence, indulgence, or deceit. To mitigate these risks, Plato advocated for strict censorship and control over artistic expression in his ideal society. He believed that only art that promoted virtue, truth, and harmony should be permitted. Artists and poets were expected to adhere to strict guidelines and serve the interests of the state by creating works that contributed positively to the moral and intellectual development of citizens. Plato's views on art in his ideal society reflect his broader concerns about the role of culture and education in shaping individual character and societal values. His emphasis on the regulation of art highlights the tension between freedom of expression and the need for moral guidance within a community.